Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use document tabs in Google Docs. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Documents, if you go to the left side, you're going to see these little horizontal lines and you're going to click on it. From here, it's going to say Document Tabs. And this is where you can enter in your own custom tabs in order to customize or to organize your entire document. Now, if you simply want to create a tab, you're going to go to Document Tabs. Next to it, select the plus icon, and it's going to enter in another tab for you. Now, this tab is going to be completely empty. If you want to, let's say, type in a few stuff, you can do so. It's going to allow you to enter in new stuff without having to be bombarded from the other information within tab 1. So if I go to tab 2, there's going to be empty spaces. Then if you want to change the name of the tab, go to these 3 vertical dots, then select Rename. And you can change it to something like Tab 2, Tab 2.0, Favorites. Then you can also enter in an emoji, so select Tab Options. Then go to Choose Emoji, and then you can choose any emoji which you like. I'm going to use this little plant over here. Then you can also copy the link of the specific tab, and then you can paste it wherever you want. And if you want to move this tab upwards, all you simply have to do is drag it and then push it upwards, and it's going to move the second tab or the first tab to the second position. Then you can also duplicate it. If you select the 3 vertical dots, you can just duplicate it. Then it's going to create a second copy of that same tab. Then if you want to delete, select the tab, right click and select delete. From here, you can also enter in a sub tab. So in the original tab, which came with this document when I created it, there's going to be different sections such as headings and paragraphs. Now, if you go to the tab section, you'll notice that it's going to keep a list of your headings, or you can also call it a sub tab. So the importance of trees, if you click on it, it's going to take you to that specific heading. And let's say I want to see this heading, the impact of cars, I'm going to select it, and it's going to take you directly to that heading. So it's a pretty cool feature. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.